Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make Kodiak Cakes blueberry muffins. This is a really delicious, yummy muffin recipe that's low in sugar. I consider them to be healthy. I'm currently following the My WW program and I'm on the blue plan. And so when I make these blueberry muffins, they come out to 2 points per muffin, which I think is awesome. So let's just get started. The first thing you want to do is add 2 over-ripened bananas to a large mixing bowl and just get those smashed up. I'm using the edge of a fork here. Just try to get the lumps out as best you can. These muffins are really good for a snack, a dessert. You can even have them for breakfast. They're just really awesome. They are kind of my go-to. Okay, so I just added in an egg. Get that mixed in. Next going in is 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Okay, now we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we need 8 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now I have this Splenda brown sugar blend that I'm using, but you can use regular brown sugar. And I'm not packing it, I'm just kind of like scooping them lightly. You can see there's not packed. Okay, next is 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix that a little bit, and the Kodiak cakes. I have the buttermilk flavor here, and I'm just adding in 2 cups of this mix. And I went ahead and turned on my oven. I'm preheating it to 350 degrees. Now usually when I do a baking recipe, I like to get all my ingredients ready. If you're using frozen blueberries, keep those in the freezer. You don't want them to start to thaw out. You can certainly use fresh blueberries if you have those on hand. I'm just adding in a cup of the frozen blueberries. I'm just going to give this a little spray real quick. Sometimes when I make this recipe, I only can get 12 muffins. It just depends on the size of the bananas. All the other ingredients I keep the same, but you're going to have some variations with the bananas. I'm just gonna get this started with 12. It looks like I have enough to make 6 more muffins. Alright, I had a few extra blueberries, so what I always like to do is I like to pop a few on top, so every muffin looks like it's kind of bursting with blueberries. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop these into the oven, and I'm gonna let them bake at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. And what I do is I just stick a toothpick in the center to make sure it comes out clean. And there they are, guys. These are really great little muffins. They freeze really well. I just like pop them in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer, and I'll label them, you know, how many points they came out to be for this particular batch. It came out to 2 points per muffin. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.